Hello, Mastur. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam, Mim. Alhamdulillah, what about you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. So we are here to present our last project of Dr. Sarina Sulaiman,
Yeah,
who really guided us very well.
yeah.
So I'm requesting you to present the code.
Okay, sure.
And I would like to know everyone that our third member is Samuel Rasul Saib, who has left UTM. So that's why he is not in this meeting or in this video.
So this is our code for our snake game. So in this code, we have first of all use iOS stream. Then we use vector to increase our snake body size. Then we took synchappy.h, then used algorithm and windows.h.
Okay, so
Then uh,
to add for the text color, we have used namespace console foreground, and we have used two colors here. Firstly, we use two colors, the black and white, and then we use black, green, red, white, etc. So,
yes,
Mastur,
exactly.
please inform the colors.
This black and white is for our display, and also this black, green, crayon, red. These are all included in enum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then this is our high score sector. This part it works for mainly a high score.
Brother, I think we have made the code in very short time, but the code is running very well. And most significant part for me is that this is a developed code, not a new code done by our previous codes in the assignment, right, brother?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So please continue, Master. I just would like to add this. I am finished.
Yes, brother. So next, we use our class board, and here is our public, and this is our function to set the color. White set console color. Mainly, this color is for our console. And then you can see we use our set cursor. This function is to set the position of the cursor in console. So then we use static constant handle, then see out the flash. Then you can see in this part we are mainly printing the elements that do not change the time on screen. Uh, so this part will display our score, and this is the printing wall. So this part is for our printing the high score. This basically changes according to time. Then
So this is for the snake size. Like when the game will run, we will eat the when we eat another one bite, that will count. Like if I bite one, then it will count one. That's why this see out. I mean output will come like 2, 3 score like this, because the initial size of the snake is 3. I mean the only three digits, like color is 3, like red, green, yellow, like this type of thing.
okay. So next we have our welcome screen. Like we have our welcome screen here. Then our welcome message will come. Welcome to the snake game. Then we'll take an input from the user, and the user will ask to press any key to start the game. Then if we start the pressed any key, then our console game console will come, and our this part is for printing the final message screen. And after starting the game, uh, here is the last message that shows the game over and you lose the game. Basically, if you touch the border, so you will lose the game. Okay. This part is for our high score. And next, after losing the game, if we start any key, then the game will start again. So next we use another class, that is snake class. Public is board.
For public is our object oriented thing. So now we will come to the loop for like if we look at the loop, this initial is I equal to 0, and when I is less than 2, it will come up to I plus 1. This I plus plus means I plus 1. Then we will go to uh, when a game is finished, like at the end, like when we eat another and a bite, and we go to the finish line, it will come again to the point. This is how x and y coordinate runs. I would like to add more one thing. If we want to pass through walls, okay, then if I mean when it will pass through wall, it will show game over. If it come again back, then it will be okay. Then if again passing the wall, it will show game over and will show only one is the score. There are like tips mode here. And here the void each food meaning that the bite, okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
Next
yes,
we
yes.
have void eat food. This part is mainly for eating food and generating the new food. I mean, this part works for showing the next mouse for the snake, that shows in different place. When you eat one mouse, then the next mouse gathers in another place. So this part works for mainly that thing. And this part is for the increasing length of the snake after the mouse is eaten, I mean the food is eaten. Okay,
Okay.
so this is our bull check interbody death. This part is to check if snake died by touching by its own or not. I mean, if the snake touch its own body, then the snake will be dead, and you will lose the game again. So this part works for mainly that mainly. Then this is our x coordinate for our snake mouth, and this is our y coordinate for our snake mouth, and this is for checking with the body array. So then we have our function. This is a user defined function. So here you can see this is for gaining manual flush control, and this also for the manual flush control. And this part is for generating random numbers and different every time. So for restarting our game, so then we have our go to Congo. If other then arrow key is pressed, and if no key is pressed, then this part works for what the game will react. And next, for different difficulties, this part is works for. And this is the result section, like key press at the last screen. And this part works for bringing key presses from the function. This is for if any key is pressed other than ESC. So that's all for our programming section. Let's try to compile our code and play the game. This is our console display.
Bro, please make the screen bigger.
Okay, let's press any key.
Wow. This looks very nice and now.
No, I got used to playing this game.
Oh, oh my god, bro, you are playing very nicely. You were already your space 2. I hardly make 1. 3. Oh my god. So, so Musculoson is playing the game very nicely. This is how the game was made. Our in less effort of 5 minutes. Yeah, bro. That 5 minutes you just killed me with your messages and things. But
You can see I touch the border, and
yes,
the game is showing it's game over, and you lose the game. You should also try this game. What do you think, Mim?
yeah, I already tried. We will
And
ask you.
if I press any key, then the game
Even
will
yes, sir.
start again.
Yeah, bro. So our video presentation is finished about this project. Hopefully we made it very nicely. Alhamdulillah, thanks Mastur for your report.
Okay, that's all about our presentation. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Mim.
Both. Thank you.